Hello students, now I will teach you indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are the pronouns which are not definite are called indefinite. For example, another, anyone, anything, each, either, though, everyone, enough, everyone, everything, less. Now I will give you some examples. We finally moved to another apartment. We is here pronoun and another is indefinite pronoun. I swear I will not tell anyone the secret. Here are some more pronouns. I, subjective pronoun or personal pronoun. I want, personal pronoun. Anyone, indefinite pronoun. This secret, subjective pronoun. Anything is possible if you believe anything, indefinite pronoun. You, subjective pronoun. Each company is fighting to protect its own commercial interest. Each, indefinite pronoun, while its is objective pronoun. Other, either one will be fine, either indefinite pronoun. Enough is enough. Enough, indefinite pronoun. Second enough is object. Everyone cheered for the violinist at our school concert. Everyone. Everyone is indefinite pronoun. Our is objective. Everything is going as planned. Everything, indefinite pronoun. Less is more. Less, indefinite pronoun. Now comes emphatic or intensive pronouns. Intensive or emphatic pronouns are the pronouns which end in self or selves. For example, himself, herself, ourselves, yourself, themselves. I had to do it myself. She has to finish herself. Here is one thing बच्चों कि क्या आया लास्ट में सेंटेंस इज एंडेड अप विद सेल्फ, हिम, माई सेल्फ और हर सेल्फ.